profit and loss. Now, first we have what? Cost price. Now, what is cost price? The price at which we buy a product known as cost price. The price at which we buy a product known as cost price. Then comes selling price. The price at which seller sells the product. The price at which seller sells the product known as selling price. Cost price also the price at which, not we, price at which seller buy the product. That is we call cost price. Then he want to make profit, or sometime he may get some loss. Now what is profit? Now profit equal to nothing but SP minus CP. Selling price minus cost price. For profit, selling price must be greater than the cost price. Loss, for loss, it will be CP minus SP. That means selling price must be less than the cost price. If selling price equal to cost price, then there is no loss, no gain. Okay. Now profit percent, how to calculate profit percent? Profit percent is nothing but profit upon CP into 100. Profit percent, profit upon CP into 100. Similarly, loss percent, loss upon CP into 100. We always calculate profit or loss. We always calculate profit or loss. For profit percent or loss percent, always we calculate on CP, not on SP. Always we will calculate on CP. Okay. So, question number 1. By selling 150 mangoes, seller gained the selling price of 30 mangoes. Find the gain percent. Find the gain percent. By selling 150 mango, seller gained the selling price of 30 mango. Find the gain percent. So let the cost price solution. First you have to take cost price. Let the cost price of 1 mango, 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 be rupees say 100. Now, let the cost price of 1 mango, not the cost price, let the selling price of 1 mango be rupees 100. Then selling price of 30 mango, equal to rupees 3000, and selling price of 150 mango equal to rupees 150 15,000. Okay. Now, what is given? By selling 150 mango, seller gained the selling price of 30 mango. Now, his gain is what? Gain equal to selling price of 30 mango. What is the selling price of 30 mango? Rupees 3000. So, his gain is rupees 3000. Now, what will be the cost price then? Now, from this one, we know profit equal to selling price minus CP. So, SP equal to CP plus profit. So, SP or CP equal to SP minus profit. So, CP equal to SP minus profit. Now, SP of what? 150 mango. Because he sold 150 mango, not 30 mango. He sold what? 150 mango. So, SP of 150 mango. By selling 150 mango, he got what? How much gain? Rupees 3,000. So his cost price will be what? Rupees 12,000. Now what we have to find? We have to find gain percent. So gain percent equal to gain upon CP into 100. Gain is what? 12,000. CP is what? 15,000 into 100. Okay. 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 20, 5 is 100. 5, 25 is 100. So this will be equal to what? By CP, sorry. This one. Gain is 12,000. Gain equal to 3,000. Oh, sorry, I have written wrong here. 1 minute. I have written wrong here. Gain is what? Gain is 3,000. Sorry. Gain is 3,000. Your cost price is what? 12,000. Cost price is 12,000. Gain is 3,000. Cost price is 12,000. Gain 3,000. Cost price 12,000 into 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, another 0. 12 to your 24, 12 5 is 60. So 25%. Okay? Understood? So this is question number 1. Next question. If difference of rupees 4.50 in the sell price would mean a gain of 7.5%, would mean a gain of 7.5% instead of loss of 12.5%. 12.5%. What is CP? C. Solution. The difference in selling price is 4.50. When gain is 7.5 and loss is 12.5. That means what? Let the cost price be rupees 100. So gain 7.5% of 100. That means 7.5. Loss 12.5% of 100. That means rupees 12.5. Now selling price equal to CP plus gain. So CP is 100, gain is 7.5, so 107.5. Okay. In case of loss, selling price will be equal to, selling price equal to 100 minus loss, means CP minus loss. So it will be 87.5 rupees. Okay. Difference in selling price. Equal to what? 87, 97, 107, so 20. So if difference is rupees 20, your cost price is rupees 100. If difference in selling price is rupees 20, the cost price is rupees 100. If difference is rupee 1, cost price is rupees 100 by 20. If difference is rupees what given? 4.50. So then cost price will be equal to what? So it will be what? 5 5 is 25. 5 4 is 20. 21. 22. 22. So 22 point rupees 22.5. Rupees 22.50. Okay. So this is the second question. Now say another question. Arun sell a watch. Arun sells a watch to Biman at gain of 20%. And Biman to Samir at loss of 10%. If Samir pay 1080, how much did it cost to Arun? Arun sell watch to Biman at gain of 20%. Biman to Samir at loss of 10%. If Samir pe hoto, how much did it cost to Arun? So first what you have to do, let cost price of watch for Arun be rupees 100. Then gain is what? 20% of 100, that means rupees 20. So your selling price will be 100 plus 20 equal to 120. So cost price of watch for Biman equal to what? 120. Now Biman got loss. He sells to Samir at a loss of 10%. He sells to Samir at a loss of 10%. So loss 10% of 120 rupees 12. Selling price, cost price minus loss, 108. Okay. Now Samir cost price will be, selling price for Biman will be auto. So Samir cost price will be 108. So if cost price of watch for Samir is rupees 108, then cost price, how much did it cost to Arun? Cost price for Arun, this watch will be what? Rupees 100. If selling price of Samir is, if cost price of Samir is 108, then cost price of Arun will be what? Rupees 100, original one. So if cost price of watch for Samir is rupee 1, cost price for Arun 100 by 108. Is rupees 1080. It will be equal to what? It will be equal to rupees 1000. Okay. So this much today.